Hello there, beautiful chocolate Pickney. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did this beautiful, spunky and fun bubble hairstyle. This hairstyle was inspired by a fellow YouTuber by the name of Chris Beck. I saw it on her channel and I thought it was super cute, so I wanted to give it a try. The first thing I did was section her hair into two halves down the middle. Then I am going to be braiding, adding two cornrow braids to the side. This I will lengthen using the Afro Kinky bulk hair. If you're doing this hairstyle, you can use just about any hair you want to, but I think the Afro Kinky bulk blends very well with her hair textures. The next step is to pull the rest of her hair up into two nice high ponytails. After which I'm going to braid them and curl them up into a bun. These buns will create the first bubble. It's now time for me to create my bubble ponytail. The package of Afro Kinky braids came with 3 bundles. I am going to use one bundle for each bubble ponytail. The end of one bundle has a rubber band around it. The other end has a golden strip of metallic thing. So I removed the golden strip metallic thingy and I wrapped it with a rubber band instead to keep the ends together. Now I'm going to attach it to my little bubble or my little bun with a rubber band. After securing the extensions to her natural hair, I'm going to flip the extensions over, 1 to conceal the bun and 2 to create the first bubble. The bubble will be about 2 inches long. I'm going to try to make them as even as possible so they'll look uniformed and cute. Now I'm going to use the weaving thread to tie the bubble or to form the bubble. Some persons use the rubber band, but I find that the thread is easier to use because the rubber band is quite challenging trying to pull the hair through the rubber band. So if you're going to do this hairstyle, go ahead and use the weaving thread or wool or whatever thread you have. I am going to try to measure, as I said before, the length of the hair to try and make all the bubbles as even as possible. Now I'll be repeating this step until I get to the end of the hair. I was all done tying the bubbles on this side, so I went on and repeated the step on the opposite side. Now this might have been one of the easiest, quickest hairstyle I've done and posted on this channel. The good thing about it is when I was done and she looked up, she was like, ooh, nice. So I was happy. I was so happy that she liked it. The next thing I did was go in and take away the extra strings that were left behind after I tied the bubbles. And to add some goodness to it, I added some tribal beads. Now I'm adding the beads using the needle and thread method. I posted the video 2 videos back on my channel with this method, so if you have not seen it yet, then you can go ahead or check the description box where I'll leave a link. Afterwards, I added some charms. Now I just wish I had the big golden charms, but this is what I had, so this is what I used. So if you're gonna do this hairstyle, you can just use just about anything that you want to use and do this hairstyle, because I don't think anyone can do wrong to this hairstyle. You just have to customize it and make it your own. Now thank you for keeping my company until the end of the video. This is what it looked like in the end. We loved it. Please let us know in the comment section what you think of this video. If you have not given this video a thumbs up yet and you really like the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I would really like if you subscribe, because I post a video tutorial every week on this channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye!